Well, good day, smart traders, and welcome to another fantastic day. Let's start things off by having a look at our economic calendar for today.
Having a look at our economic calendar today, the ADP non-farm employment change report coming out at 3:15 South African Standard Time should create some good volatility in the market, as well as the unemployment claims for the US coming out at 3:30. Additionally, the crude oil inventories report at 6 p.m. South African Standard Time should also create some good movement on our crude oil pairs, seeing as there's at the moment extreme worries regarding the demand on crude oil at the moment worldwide.
Now let's move over and have a look at what's making headlines today.
In currency news, the dollar struggled to advance even though the Federal Reserve policymakers reiterated their commitment last month to fighting inflation. Meanwhile, the Aussie rallied after China eased its restrictions on imports of Australian coal. Minutes of the Fed's December policy meeting, released overnight, showed that while officials agreed that the central bank should slow the pace of its aggressive interest rate increases, they remained focused on curbing inflation and were worried about the misinterpretation in the financial market that their commitment was flagging. In stock market news, all three major US indices finished higher yesterday, but below their session peaks. After volatile trading following the release of the minutes of the Fed's last meeting, which showed officials laser focused on controlling inflation, even as they agreed to slow their interest rate hiking pace. Money managers said that minutes included no surprises, and that the market appeared to have been holding on to hopes for some sign that the Fed was at least considering easing its policy tightening. In commodity news, oil fell more than $4 a barrel yesterday, posting its steepest percentage loss in the first 2 trading days of any year for over 3 decades. As investors worry about fuel demand as the global economy slows and COVID-19 cases grow in China. Gold prices rose to a near 7-month high after the minutes of the Fed's December meeting showed that policymakers unanimously supporting rising interest rates at a slower pace, offering some relief to the metal markets battered by rising borrowing costs.
So that's it from us here at Smart Online Trader. If you're interested in any of the additional services that we provide, kindly get in touch with us or simply click on one of the links in the description below. As always, may the peace be with you. Cheers.